happy Wealth Wednesday. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Hey, got a new platform for you, but before we jump into this one, I always got to give you a chance to read this disclaimer. All right, let's get to it and do it. And our newest platform to add to the roster is Mobile Trade Limited. Yes, Mobile Trade Limited is the newest one we're added to the roster, and it's joining in, even though it doesn't have the number in the name, it is jumping into the double-digit profit arena. Yes, it is. But of course, before we get into that, I always got to say, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose, and always do your own due diligence. And if you have not joined my Telegram group, make sure to join my Telegram group where you'll get the latest updates on any platform that I'm in and also the new ones that I introduce. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and look at some of the plans on Mobile Trade Limited. All right, and here we are with the plans. One of the things that I like about these plans, it's been a while since we've had the 24-hour in and out. I love that you can get your profit, get in, get out. And I love the C12s, the R0112s, the 14s, the 15s, and all the other numbers. But the main thing about them is they hold your money for a while. Just be aware of that. With Mobile Trade Limited, hey, you get in, you get your profits, you get out in 24 hours. Another thing I like about them is it's a low investment rate to get started. So it can start it with as little as $50. So let's look at the plans. 15% after 24 hours, $50 minimum to $1,000 maximum. And yes, your deposit will be returned. The gold plan, 25%, 1 quarter, 25% after 24 hours. That's $1,100 to $10,000 in deposit return. Diamond plan, 35% after 24 hours. $10,100 to $20,000 on that one. And the platinum plan, 45% after 24 hours, $20,100 to unlimited. And as I said, with all of these plans, you do get your deposit back. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and look in the back office. All right, before we get to the back office, I did want to show you a little bit about how to create an account, because it can be a little hard to see. So from the home screen, you want to scroll all the way in the top, and it's just going to be over. You just got to trust yourself. Is one of these is sign in, the other one you just kind of have to look real close. The other one says create an account, so it's right there at the top. When you see the little finger pointing up, click there. And you see create an account. See, you see it a little bit better here. And of course, then it's just a regular thing. You got your full name, username, password, email address, and then you can put in your wallets. You don't have to. Then of course you can, once you click on agree with the terms and conditions, then create a new account, and then you are in. Now let's take a look in the back office. All right, now here we are in the back office. If you want to, you see I've already added funds to the account, but if you want to add funds, all you have to do is go over here, click on add funds. And then what you'll do is you'll pick your plan. So you have the choice of the plans. We're not going to go over those. Now you can either top up from the balance, or you can create a new balance. You can create a new balance. I'm sorry. You can either use the balance that's on the account. Use the balance that's on the account, or you can top up from your wallet or whatever outside the platform. So for the most part, what you'll be doing is just adding. You're going to click on spend, and then whatever amount, then as long as it's $50 and above, and then you're going to click on spend, and then it's going to create the address for you. From there, well, let's go ahead and do it. All right, so click on that. And now, see, that's what I said. A lot of times it'll go here and you're like, oh, what happened? What? And you'll start going backwards and this, that, and other. All you have to do is, if that happens, is scroll down, and you'll see everything here. There is your wallet address that you want to send it to, and you just want to verify that everything here is correct. And then you add the transaction ID. Once you make that payment, add the transaction ID, hit save, check with chat, and then you are good to go. All right, and let's look at some of the currencies that you can actually make a deposit with. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, TRC20, baby. You can use BNB, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu ERC20. So those are the currencies that you can use to make a deposit into this platform if that's what you choose to do. Now you know we always have to do. We've got to go to the F, the A's, and the Q's. All right, here we are at the FAQs, and as I always do, I'm not going to go through all of them, but I will hit the highlights and the ones I think are important. Now it's incumbent upon you to do your own research, DYOR, do your own research. Come back here, read these FAQs for what you believe is important to you. So what is Mobile Trade Limited? Mobile Trade Limited is a hedge fund. Our main activity is safe investment by using risk management, virtual registration. Not going to worry about that. What service? Mobile Trade team already have investor experience. Advantages. Okay, so we're moving on. How can I become a beneficiary? Just means participant. With Mobile Trade Limited, click on the link in the description and comments of this video. What payment methods I use, we already covered that. For more than one account in the company, yes, you can use one Bitcoin wallet on many accounts. Can I make a deposit while their investments are still going? Yes, you can deposit on a daily basis. How many times can I reinvest in a particular deposit funds? You can only be able to reinvest as many times as you wish when making an add-up deposit into your account. Okay, all right. Financial issues. How much can I invest? We've looked at that. When will I get my first income? 24 hours after your investment. So that's what they have, that 24-hour period, okay? When can I withdraw from my account? You can draw referral bonus. Daily profits can be drawn when the active investment has expired after 24 hours. Can I make a deposit any amount after making a withdrawal? No, you can deposit below what had been withdrawn. You cannot deposit below what you had withdrawn. That makes sense. How long will withdrawal be processed? Withdrawals processed instantly after reviewing your investment account. So it doesn't mean, since it's manual, it doesn't mean instant. I don't believe now that it may, but what I believe is it's going to be a manual review. They're going to review their account, then they're going to send to you. At this time, I don't have an exact amount of time that it'll be processed. I'll show you some out as I go along and tell you how long it takes me to get mine. But if if it takes more, then I would say a few hours. Definitely check with chat. Do you take commissions when drawing this? Is the currency profit accrued? I can worry about all that. All right. So those are the F, the A's, and the Q's. Now let's just review those plans one more time. All right, here we are back on the home screen, the platform, the home of the 24-hour investment. Get in, get your profit, and get out. 15% after 24 hours. You can start with a minimum of $50. The gold plan, 25% after 24 hours. You can start with as little as $1,100. The diamond plan, 35% after 24 hours, $10,100. And the platinum plan, 45% after 24 hours, $21,100 to unlimited. And on all of these, you will get your deposit back. So if you want to be part of Mobile Trade Limited, make sure to click on the link, description, and comments of this video. And make sure you watch this next video as I give you my top 5 platforms that are still paying.